because I haven't vlogged or I haven't documented anything of my life for so long, and yeah, there was not much happening also. However, right now I am at Bangkok airport waiting for my another flight. We have 6 hours layover right now, so I didn't think of taking a video. However, since I have 6 hours of free time, I thought of why not documenting. So here I am. I will not tell you where I'm going now. However, I'll show you everything. So I'm here waiting for my flight. We still have another three hours. Yeah, we have 6 hours later, but we only have 3 hours now. So see you on the other side. Oh wow!
This is Rose traveler.
Yeah, no?
Please in Bali. You have to take a picture in this place.
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
For Instagram.
How do you have Instagram?
Yeah, yeah. I'll show you.
I will follow you.
Oh, I'll follow you too. Good morning, guys. So last night I was not able to take the video because we reached so late. But then now I just woke up. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. Let me show you our room. So this is the way where uh, we can go to the reception and everything. And this is the way to the other villa. And this is our villa. I'm sharing room with one of my colleagues. Wait. Welcome. That's our bed. It's Torasal dirty because we just woke up. And here is our balcony. Don't know. And you can sit here and relax, and that's it. Very cute, cutesy, comfortable. Right. So it's a very cute villa. So now we'll get ready since we have some workshop and training at 9. I'll show you. I might not show the workshop, however, I'll show the experience. Okay. Bye. Hi guys. Guess where I'm at? In the jungle. I'm going out from my room. We have workshop today, yesterday and today. Since the workshop is busy, I was not able to shoot anything. However, maybe today we can take some videos because we are going to Cretya club after the workshop. The workshop is only half day. See ya. Yes, it is. We should have called the cab. We're walking because we forgot to call our pickup. See you, okay? Bye. In the jungle. Good morning. So this is our table. My colleagues. These are the surroundings. Transgender asal pasti.
Transgender ba?
We're going to Cretya Club. By Dangor Tuk Tuk. We are at Cretya Club, and I have.
Go with the car to the harbor and then go with the boat.
Hi, good afternoon.
Wanna go around from here, yeah?
Where are we going here?
Okay, first go around, take photo.
Okay. It's raining. It's more beautiful in my eye than in the camera. Oh my God! The view is so beautiful, but it's raining. Wow. Oh my God, it's raining. We can't even go anywhere.
Visual with it.
If we die, it's because of this lady.
Visual with it.
Video Ro-sèh. Slowly, okay? Slowly.
Don't worry. No wiper. My eyes.
Good.
I drive truck.
Oh yeah?
Hometown.
Oh, container?
Ah.
Oh. Good. Slowly here.
Passengers?
Yes,
Yeah. Okay.
we are happy. Driver.
Okay.